Oh shit!
A tornado warning for Central Collier County in southwestern Florida, south central Henry County.
300, you failed me! Holy shit, that was quick.
A storm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles south of Avenue Maria, moving east at 15 miles.
That escalated quickly.
Tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
That escalated quickly.
Damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Henry Greenfield, Miles City, and Sonoma. Take cover now. Come to an interior room on a low
300, you failed as my stream alert.
window. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest area in the surrounding listening area until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Collier and Henry. The current time is 1:09.
300, you failed as my stream alert. Alerter. Bruh. Alerter.
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for waters from Deerfield Beach to Lauderdale Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles, excluding the territorial waters of Bahamas, until 4:30 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 54 nautical miles east of Palm Beach shores to 29 nautical miles east of Hillsborough Beach, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of East Central.
Jeez, that scared me.
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
What?
Central Broward County in southeastern Florida until 4 p.m. At 3:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over intersection Alligator
Hold
Avenue
on.
in Miami Canal, 18 miles northwest of Federal Pines, moving east at 25 miles an hour.
Hold on.
Hazard: 60
I am bot didn't even go off.
size hail. Source:
What?
indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is
My
expect wind damage.
I am bot didn't even do that.
Locations impacted include Pembroke Pines, Davie,
What?
Mile marker 30 on Alligator Alley,
Huh.
intersection Alligator Alley and Miami Canal, East Toll Gate on Alligator Alley, intersection I-75.
Let me check. I am live.
Intersection I-75 and Bridge and Road.
ML. Where's ML?
Alert for a possible tornado.
MFL.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room and a sturdy structure.
They didn't even do that over I am live.
On the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is
What?
with this storm and may
That's
result in
weird.
flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
What?
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Miami and Fort
Huh?
Lauderdale listening area rest of today.
Miami, are you okay? You didn't even do that over I am.
Afternoon.
Okay, after that last clip, they just issued a day 1 marginal convective risk, a strong thunderstorm statement, and another strong thunderstorm statement, but not the SVR
In the upper 60
that just went over.
southwest winds up to 10 miles an hour.
Huh? That's for my. Definitely going to clip this.
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Biscayne Bay, coastal waters from
Oh, so now it works.
20 nautical miles until 4:15 p.m.
So now I am bot works.
7 p.m. A severe thunderstorm
But not for that one SVR.
was located over
But not for that one SVR. Interesting.
Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
I kind of expected this to happen during this video. So,
Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Virginia Key, Key Biscayne, Coral Gables, Miami Beach, and Cape Florida. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. The National Weather Service in Miami.
so yeah, that was bro, what?
This is the National Weather Service office in Fort Worth. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning system for weather radio station KEC 55. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal.
Well, hello, Fort Worth.
Hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variation, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Bosque, Collin, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Urath, Hill, Hood, Johnson, Parker, Sunville, Tarrant, and Wise. This concludes the test of weather radio station. The current
Do not remember that. I forgot, they test at 6. Okay. Nice job, 120, not doing your job.
Eastern Stevens County in north central Texas until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Dude, you had clear reception.
Central Standard Time.
Bruh.
Popular radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
I mean, at least you went off 9-1.
Rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
Oh man, Tarrant County EAS is under a flood advisory right now.
Mineral wells.
Tarrant.
Possum Kingdom Lake, Possum Kingdom State Park,
Bruh.
Necessity, Lake Daniel, Perrin, Advance,
I feel like all my radios are starting to fail.
Witt, Joplin, and Chitown.
Because my 300's failing, my W100 is failing. Oh boy.
To current vehicles.
Nope. No doubleheader. Oh, you actually turned off. Nice. Well, that's another alert to add to the compilation.
In north central Texas, northwestern part
I kind of saw it coming a mile away.
northern Palo Pinto County in north central Texas.
Okay, let's get the latest radar frame.
At 4:57 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Possum Kingdom Lake, 15 miles southeast of Graham, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour.
Yes, it was. Yes, it was. I'm sorry about that.
Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is possible.
Can you hear the NOAA weather radio clearly? Duckful.
Central Standard Time. Grayford around 5:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Adele, Joplin, Perrin, Witt, Martins Chapel, Advance.
That was weird.
The current Dallas County in north central Texas.
Well, hello, Dallas.
County in north central Texas until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Let me swap my view.
5:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as up to 4 drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Garland, Irving,
Yeah, Tarrant County Hillside is under that.
Hamilton, Richardson, Rowland, Eunice,
Tarrant County EAS FFW.
Folsom City, Wiley, Keller, Coppell, Hearst, Farmers Branch, and South Lake. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flood.